My gums were receding. There was some sensitivity there. They weren't getting any better. They kept, receding back farther and farther. And a couple of teeth, especially in front, were really quite high up. Also, just, in terms of being self-conscious, then, for example, you go out to eat, something like that. When it's receding like that, food can get stuck, and then it made me less comfortable smiling and things like that. So it was just becoming a little more of an issue. And I'm not particularly a big appearance person, and I was kind of surprised at how much what kind of effect it had. So I had talked with my regular dentist about what I could do, and he had referred me to Dr. Gouldin, and I had kind of put it off because it's a big deal. And I had talked to friends who talked about skin grafts and all this kind of stuff, and I was a little leery of that. So, but eventually it got bad enough I thought I need to do something, and I came in. Dr. Gouldin had reassured me, so I was, I trust him, and I was confident when he said it wasn't going to be too bad. I believed him, and it measured up to what he'd said. But it was just like having any other dental procedure. It wasn't like having had surgery or something like that. So the Chao Pinhole Technique, and I'm no expert. I understood it when he explained it, but in terms of retelling, but it was just basically making a little hole and inserting this collagen in there, and there wasn't a whole lot to it. A couple little cuts, a few stitches. But not like a giant procedure. Seeing this picture takes me back because it reminds me of how bad things were. I had the top teeth done. The bottom aren't done yet, although we've talked about it, and I would certainly do it after all this. But the thing that I really notice are these top teeth with these huge recessions. They're kind of pointy. Food would catch in there. It was quite unpleasant. And seeing that is really interesting. It's only been a few months, but it seems like the distant past now. I didn't realize I was smiling in pictures with my mouth closed, but now I realize I was, because now I'm much more comfortable just relaxing when I smile in a picture. And like I said, I'm not that big on appearances and things, but I think it mattered more to me than I realized that it did. So, and I know eventually I'll probably need to do something similar on the bottom teeth, and I'll be totally comfortable doing that.